Classical cryptography, in times of war. Enigma. Weaknesses. Let's have a look at the weaknesses of the Enigma, which in the end made it possible to break the code. In order to not only encrypt, but also decrypt with the Enigma, a reflector was installed. As a consequence, a letter could no longer be encrypted by itself, as the current could no longer flow back the same way it came. This reduced the number of potential substitution alphabets significantly. There were also some rules for plugging letters in the plugboard. There were always at least 6 letters which were not plugged. Moreover, 2 consecutive letters were not plugged either. Originally, the plugboard was created with the thought of improving the security of the Enigma. However, since the plugged letters stayed the same during the whole encryption process, in the end, the plugboard was only a monoalphabetic substitution. The British mathematician Alan Turing succeeded in overcoming the plugboard, as we will see later on. There were also rules for the position of the rotors. Each position was only allowed to be used once a month. Moreover, a rotor was not allowed to be in the same position on 2 consecutive days of a month. The problem was that these rules caused irregularities which were starting points for code breakers, as they could exclude certain combinations over the course of the month. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.